Here is the result for the assignment 3.2, and it is about still to create a Fibonacci function with the dynamic program. So as we created the function before to create the Fibonacci function using the iterative and the Fibonacci function using the recursive. So right now we use the more high projective method to create a Fibonacci function, which is the Fibonacci dynamic. So the first requirement is to import the Fibonacci recursive function we created before. So as reminded, I also print the Fibonacci function here, or the recursive function here, which is when the n smaller or equal to 1, just return the value of n, but when the n larger than 1, return the Fibonacci recursive n minus 1 plus the Fibonacci recursive function n minus 2. And then right now it's about to create a Fibonacci dynamic function. So as a requirement, we need to create a dictionary. So the content of the dictionary is to print all the elements of the Fibonacci function. So like here, for I in the range plus 1, which is from 0 to n. So when the value of I, the key equal to 0, the value of the value of here is equal to 0, and if the k equal to 1, the value equal to 1. If the key is larger than 1, the value of here is equal to the Fibonacci recursive I, so which is defined here is the Fibonacci recursive I minus 1 plus Fibonacci recursive I minus 2. So if we print the example here, the Fibonacci dynamic 3, so it's recorded all the first 3 value of the Fibonacci function. For example, the 0 is the value of the key 0 is 0, and the first element also 1, and the second equal to 1, and the third equal to 2. And if we print is 15, and it record all the Fibonacci value for the first 15th.